In this video, we are going to see that if you want to allow any sites to use microphone in Google Chrome, here's what you can do. First of all, just go to this top right where these three dots are and just head over to the settings at the bottom. And on the left hand side, we have the privacy and security option. Just go ahead and click on that. And at the bottom, we have site settings. Click on that and you will get to this permissions area where these different permissions are. So let's go to the microphone. And it is set to by default that sites can ask you to use microphone. You can don't allow sites to use microphone if you want to do it for the security reasons. And also just set the default microphone, whatever you are using currently. So currently I have this one as added, web, WhatsApp and Firefly. So as you can see here that these websites are allowed to use the microphone, but you can only change the feature from don't allow to allow the sites to ask your microphone. And then when you use individual site like web, WhatsApp, Facebook or whatever, at that point you can just allow to use the microphone because it will ask you for the prompt on the left. So that's how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.